Guys, today for the Bitcoin price, I got something really important to tell you guys, because Bitcoin is about to do something really interesting and really big, and it's about to move big. And in this video, I'll show you guys exactly my bullish and bearish scenario. So before I do that, make sure to go to the first link in the description, sign up for a Bybit account using my link. If you use my link to sign up for a Bybit account, you can start trading immediately and you will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses and 25% of fees, which is really nice. Will be even more profitable trading. That being said, let's just jump straight into it. We can see right here that we are currently we broke out of our symmetrical triangle. We immediately got resisted again at 31,500 and immediately came back down, and now we are actually trading under this symmetrical triangle. So my bullish and bearish targets are as followed. So the second we break out of one of these areas, because we've been trading in the same area for over 2.5 weeks right now. The second we break to the upside or downside, and massive move will be started, and it's either going to be massively to the downside or massively to the upside. If we go and get a push to the downside, then our next area of support is right here. $28,400 is our next area of support. We can see that this previously has been a lot of resistance and support as well. So yeah, 28,400, that is where you want to look for longs if we do decide to break out of this area. Also guys, if once we break out of this level we have been trading in right now, once we get a 4-hour candle close under this level, then the move to either $28,400 is going to be massive. It's going to happen within a few days, probably even a few hours. So you need to catch that. So make sure to stay up to date by subscribing and liking this video and turning on notifications over on my YouTube channel. But make sure to subscribe and like this video. It really helps me out and you will be up to date. Now, I also told you guys my bullish scenario target. My bullish target is once we break out of 31,500. We tried to break out already, but immediately came back down. But my next area, once we break 31,500, is all the way here at $35,000. That's going to be a massive move up, but it will make a lot of sense for Bitcoin, because that is our next area of massive resistance. Once the chart just quickly loads, we can see that this is our next area of massive resistance. So yeah, once we break out, something like this is going to happen, and it's going to happen within a few days, and it's going to happen exactly the same like we have seen the last few times, just a straight move to the upside. It's going to be absolutely parabolic, absolutely crazy, and I'm really excited for the next move, because to be fair, we have been quite boring. Now, I told you guys my bullish and bearish scenario target, but if we break to the downside, then we're going to get hold of 28,400. But if we don't and we immediately go through it, then our next logical target will always be at around 27,500. It depends on how far this area is going to last for, but at some point we have to break to the upside or downside. And if we break to the downside, then our first quick support is at 28,400. But our next big area of support is going to be all the way at around 27,000 to 28,000. Somewhere between that is going to be our next area of support. So make sure to stay up to date about this chart. I'll update you guys every single day about this chart, because this is really important. We have seen a massive amount of support basically since this has been starting, this massive rally to the upside. So yeah, it will make a lot of sense for us to bounce again from this level. So that's going to be some easy money if you trade over on Bybit. If we trade to the upside and we break finally this boring area of 31,500, then the next big area, big move is going to get started. I'm just so excited once something happens, for Bitcoin has been quite boring the last few days and weeks actually. But yeah, once we break either 31,500 or we break let me quickly see, 29,500, that's our area, then we could see a massive move for Bitcoin. So yeah, that being said, I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, make sure to sign up for a Bybit account using my link, because if you do so, you will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. That being said, I hope I will see you in my next video.